is Khalil once again. So Peter having problem creating the armature and the box. So I thought let me create a tutorial for this. So I'm here to create a tutorial. So what you can do, you have to do first of all press tab in edit mode. First select अस्सलाम वालेकुम एकदम बढ़िया अपन बताओ my friend called me, sorry for that. So first of all select the upper face. You can do this, you can also delete the whole thing and add a plane, but what I'm gonna do, just select this and press X vertices, and now we have a plane. Oh, this is here. So the another thing is just delete everything, shift A, add a plane here, and that's it. This is a plane, you have a plane. Now press tab, press 2, and now you can select these edges. So first of all I have to make the whole unwrapped box. So for doing that you just have to extrude it on the y-axis, and this is the positive side. You can see on the corner, on the upper left corner, you can see 1 2, you can see the dimension there, you can see the numbers are in positive, so this is the positive side. So you can press just 2, and this is the 2 meters long, maybe, yep, 2 meters long. Same for the, you can do here, this is the negative one, you know already, because this is the opposite side. Okay, same for the x-axis, okay, and also for the negative x-axis, okay. But I need one more, right? So extrude on the x-axis. What I did, okay, I pressed -1, okay, but I need -2. Yep, all is correct. Now what I need bones, obviously, because the box is ready. This is flat, no solidify modifier added, there's no thickness. You can add also the solidify modifier to add some thickness, but for this video just a plain surface, nothing else. Now I need bones. I need a single bone, so this is a single bone, and the press tab, because we were in object mode, the bone was selected, and we are in the edit mode now. Select this ball, extrude it on any direction, like x, y, not in the z, x or y. So I'm going on the x direction, 2, okay, 2. So press save in, and let me do this. Okay, this is rotating like this because the pivot point is set on the median. So press the period button. See, this is on the median point, and I need it on the individual origins. So you can also set it on the individual origins, and you can also set it on the 3D cursor, because 3D cursor is also there. So -90, something like this, I need it here. Okay, so I have to move it here, but the thing is, this is not disconnected, this is connected to that bone. So if I move that one, so it will move like this, so something like this. So I have to disconnect it. So if I move after disconnecting it, then I can move it like this. So what I have to do, first of all, Alt P, disconnect the bone. Okay, now if I move this, I can go anywhere. So it is like this is the parent of this one, but this is also disconnected, something like this. Press 7, and you can also go to the wireframe mode, and just you can move it on the y-axis just 1 meter, and you can also do something like this. Grab it on the y-axis and press B, select this point and select this point to snap to this edge. Okay, snapping. You can also turn on the snapping just by clicking on this, then but I just turn it off. I just use control. Like if you grab and just go somewhere, like let me choose it to edge, so edge will be fine. So if I grab and control here, press control on this edge, so it will snap it here. So it was like here. So what I did, suppose that it was here. So what I did, grab on the y-axis and I hold control on this, so it is snapped here, something like this. Okay, now what I have to do, just duplicate it, and now I have to rotate it, but I don't have to rotate it on the individual axis and not on the median point. So what I will do, because I have to rotate it on this from here. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to change it to the 3D cursor. So now I can place it where I exactly want, negative 90 degree, and I also have to do the same thing, and like one more time, negative 90, negative 90, and one more time, shift D and rotate, negative 90, and I need one more bone here because I have one more face here, one more side. Extrude it, just 2 on the axis of X, 2, okay, negative 2, negative 2, got it. So you can rename the bones, press 7, and I'm just going to rename it like 1, and for this one this would be 2, 3, 4, and 5, and for this one, okay, I have to do one more thing. Let me rename it first. So I have to select all the bones. So what I did, I was you can select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And there's one more thing, that if you have select everything just but not this one, so just select this one that you don't have to select, and then press Ctrl I, then everything will be selected. Now I have to press G and Z. So G for grab, Z for the axis. So because I have to make it down to the surface, so I have to snap, and this, for snapping there was the key control, and snap it to this edge. Great, snapped. Now there's one thing, we have the armature, we have the shape of the box. Now one more thing, we have to assign it, like because we have to control the box, so we have to assign it, we have to make the parent. So first of all, make the parent on the solid mode, object mode, and the box is selected, and now the armature is selected, Control P, and I have to object with empty groups. Now just select the box. This is not box right now, and from where we have to assign it. I forgot that from the data properties. Okay, from the data properties, object data properties. Press 7 again, because I know exactly this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and the mother bone. So press 3 for the face selection mode, select this face, and this is the first bone. So the first bone, assign it to this one. This is the second bone, assign it to the second one. This is the third one, assign it. This is the fourth one, assign it. This is the fifth one, assign it. This is the mother bone, assign it. Now press tab, select the bone. You can go to the pose mode from this, and you can also use the shortcut key. Now whenever you rotate it, by the way, this is on the pivot point is on the 3D cursor, I think. Yep, this is on the 3D cursor, so it is not going to work as we want, so we have to set it again on the individual origins. So I think it also can work on the median point, maybe. Yep, it's working. Now you can control your your armature. You can control your, sorry, you cannot control your armature. You are obviously, the armature is for controlling the box. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll give the file. I'll give the whole file. This is not the whole, like, what's the whole? This is just a plain and armature. So I'll give the link and you can download this model. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.